Hey everyone, Varun here once again from Language Academy, and I've got someone who is very hardworking, Jarina from Nepal, very first attempt in PT, and she has smashed her PT exam, 90 overall in very first attempt with 19 listening, 90 speaking, 88 writing and 86 reading, overall 9 bands, very first attempt. Congratulations Jarina, well done, a very great achievement. Very rare we see someone going for the exam for the very first time and then smashing it with 90 overall. We'll ask Jarina that what is the secret to success, and we'll start off with this thing that what do you think is the most important parameter or strategy for this exam, and what are all the factors which are very important for this exam to crack the exam in the very first go and crack it with 90 overall.
Thank you, Varun. Thank you for having me. First of all, I would like to thank you and Language Academy. And the next thing is that we have to be very hardworking and we have to practice a lot, I think. And along with that, we have to understand all the strategies, and we have to understand the marking criteria as well. Yeah, I think that's
So that's
all.
right, guys. It's very important that if you are going for the first time, don't just go for the just sake of doing it and seeing that where you stand. Go prepared in the very first attempt, understand the marking criteria, understand what factors are important, what questions are important, and what strategies you have to use in each and every task, and how to approach every task. We'll come on to your listening. Listening is 90, perfect score, you can't get more than that. And listening is one of the section, guys. A lot of students out there, they struggle in that. How did you get 90 in listening, and what do you think is the very important thing, most important thing for your listening section?
I think for the listening, we have to be very concentrating, focused. We can't miss any words while listening, so we can't be distracted by other people and those stuff. And plus, we have to understand all the modules and sections in the listening part as well. For example, in write from dictation, I think I didn't miss any of the write from dictation, and also repeat sentence from the speaking
section.
part. And yes, that's, I think we have to practice all the sections and yeah, focus on those things.
That's right, guys. So it's very important to focus, concentrate, listen properly, because once the audios are gone, you can't really play them back. It's very important you understand that speaking will also give you a lot of points in your listening section. As she mentioned that repeat sentence, they are very, very important for your listening section. Please do not ignore any of the section in PT. Let's come on to your speaking. Speaking was one of the section you were very scared about.
Yeah.
You were telling me that after your exam, you were telling me that you won't even get 50 in speaking, right? And you got 19 speaking. What is the secret behind 19 speaking?
Well, I don't know how I got it, but for all the time throughout the speaking, even I missed the words, I didn't stop. I just kept on going, and I think that's how I got it. And yeah, I didn't miss the repeat sentence as well, and I think that's the thing.
That's
and,
right.
Yeah.
That's right, guys. It's very important to maintain your fluency, because yes, content is important, but again, for your speaking, your fluency is very important. So you have to make sure you keep on speaking throughout the speaking section. Finally, let's come on to your writing. 88 in writing, 9 bands. If we compare it to IELTS, what do you think is very important for writing? Because writing also, you were scared with your essays and everything. I remember that, right?
Yes.
So what do you think is important for writing, and how to get score like this in writing?
Yes, for the writing, in the essays section, I just followed the template that you gave me. And yes, I think with the writing, we have to focus on other sections as well, like reading. Is that
Reading, that's
yeah,
right. That's right.
reading. And yeah, I practiced lots of reading, filling the blanks and stuff, because I was scared on that one as well. So I think as overall for the PT, it's not just one section. If you are weak on one section, then you are not like getting marks if you are going to practice on that
section.
particular
That's
section
right.
only. So you have to practice all the sections as well. Yeah, I think PT is all about interconnected with all the 4 bands, 4 sections. Yeah,
That's right,
all.
guys. So it's very important, if you're missing out, as he said, in one area, don't just focus on that, focus on other sections as well, because if you're missing out in one section, other section can be reason for that, right? So it's very important you understand the marking criteria, how each and every module is interlinked and how it contributes to other section, and that is how you will nail your PT exam like she did. 90 overall in very first attempt, great achievement. Once again, congratulations, Ree Na. That's it, guys. We'll be back very soon with another success story. Thanks, guys.